Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tenna and welcome to my circus. Today's video, I'm going to be going over the September Boxycharm. I've got it right here. I was a little bit bummed that I was not able to get my hands on the Boxy Luxe, which is a new subscription plan that you can get through Boxycharm. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the FabFitFun. So basically, we're gonna go through this box. We're gonna try on all of these products and see how they work. If this is something that you are interested in, go ahead and stick around. Otherwise, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and we will go ahead and jump right on into the video. Alright, so first things first, if you do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It is $21 and you get between $150 to $200 worth of makeup. Some of the makeup's good, some of it's a flop. Kind of all depends on what you get in the box, depends on how you kind of want to use it. And then they just launched a new subscription, which is the Boxy Luxe. It is an upgrade to your Boxycharm box. I think it charges you like an additional $30, but it happens quarterly. So there's a fall, winter, spring, and summer box. And you get bigger, luxurious items in that box. But apparently they messed up, launched it at 6 a.m. on a Saturday, and it was like sold out and the website crashed and like nobody could get their hands on it. It was just like a gigantic mess. So anyways, let's go ahead and look and see what is in this month's Boxycharm. This Boxycharm, they have themes every month. So every month there is a new theme for a new box. This one is Wildflower. And you'll get this little guy in here that kind of breaks down everything that is in your box, everything that you expect to find in here. So we're going to go ahead and try these things out. I've already done my face because there aren't any face products. It looks like it's just a bunch of like eye products, a lipstick, and a blush. So we'll try all of these out. So we'll go ahead and pull them out. I'll pull them out in the order that I'm going to use them, and yeah. So first things up is that we got a brush set from Alamar, which is this guy right here. There's 3 brushes in here. It is the Ojitos brush set. It says it is made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. And so it goes through how you use each one of these. And this retails for $18. So let's go ahead and open this up. Basically, this is what the brushes look like right here. Nice green handle. They do feel very soft. So we'll go ahead and try these because we did get an eyeshadow palette today. So we're going to be using those for that. And the eyeshadow palette is from Pretty Vulgar. If you have been on my channel for a while, you do know that I love Pretty Vulgar. I use the hell out of their eyeliner. I just love the brand in general. So we got the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, which is their smoky eyeshadow palette. This retails for $35. So as you can see, going through these, they give you the price. Paying $21 for a box, we've already surpassed the worth of the box with just the brushes and the eyeshadow set alone. So it says, made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for an easy blending and long wear. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's a cute little mirror, but basically this is what all the shades in here look like. So it is your basic smoky eye palette. So I guess we are doing a smoky eye today. I'm here for it. I love me a smoky eye. So let's go ahead and pop this onto the eyes, try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and use these brushes. So I'm gonna first go in with this brush right here. Again, I apologize. My camera is doing weird things. It keeps like focusing in and out, and like I can't freaking fix it. So I'm so sorry if it is focusing out. I'm trying my best to catch it. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this color right here, Hide and Seek. And we're gonna tuck that into the crease. I don't know how I feel about this brush. It's a little flimsy. I'm gonna switch to a different brush because it's a little too flimsy for my liking. I'm gonna move over to my Morphe M535 brush, which usually I use for packing colors into my crease. It's a little bit more dense. Which this color is kind of coming out, like not really. It's just kind of like a nice neutral, kind of cool toned brown. Kind of has like a grayness to it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here called Flip Out. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the brush, and I'm gonna go ahead, it's a lot darker, so we're going for kind of a smoky eye today. So I'm gonna take that and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of pop it into here as well as the outer corner. So these shades are very highly pigmented. No issues with patchiness. They're blending out very, very well. All right, so I'm gonna go back into that light shade hide and seek right here. I'm gonna take that back on that same blending brush that we used to pop it into my crease. I'm gonna take that and use it to diffuse the edges just so we can get like a nice seamless blend right here and get rid of any harshness. You know, it's very, very easy to use these dark shadows and end up with like a very harsh line because they're a little bit more difficult to blend out than say a lighter shade. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and dust some color onto our lid. I'm really into this color right here, the color Clutch. It's this nice kind of, it's kind of like a smoky brown color. Let's go ahead and dip it back into our Alamar brushes, see if this is gonna help. I wanna see how this applies with just a brush. So I'm gonna just take the brush and just wipe it on down there, and then we're gonna pack it on to the lid. I like this little detail brush actually. The blending brush out of this set is a little bit of a flop to me. So, I mean, that's cute. I want to see how it applies with the finger though. That might be different. It's always different with the finger. All right, so I find that shimmers always apply so much better with the finger, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger on the other eye as well. Has nothing to do with the brush. I don't know, just glitter shimmer shades with a dry brush just doesn't always go down better. The oils from your fingers kind of pick this up and lay it down a lot better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this color right here, After Midnight, this kind of dark color. It's kind of like that nice little transition between brown and black. I'm gonna tack that on to my outer corner. I'm gonna take a very, very small packing brush or blending brush for this. So I'm gonna take this small guy right here. We're gonna just dip right on in and we are gonna go ahead and pack it onto this outer corner. Like so. Yes, this is a very highly pigmented palette. I do like this. I mean, the formula, everything blends like a dream. So I'm a fan. I know some people were complaining about it because like the colors were too dark, like they don't know how to wear a smoky eye, which is fine. A smoky eye is not for everybody, you know. All right, let's go ahead and take this flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go back into that brown that we put all over the lid, and I'm just gonna drag that underneath my lash line. All right, and then I wanna add a little bit of highlight in the inner corner, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop into this color right here, Break Free, on this outer corner. It's a very shimmery, kind of a white color. Take a nice clean brush, dip right on into there, and we're just gonna beautiful. Do a nice little inner corner highlight just to kind of brighten up the eyes because we just made them so dark. All right, so we do have eyeliner in here. Normally I do winged eyeliner, so I'm a little bit scared of this thing that is in here. This is from Butter London. It is the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Eyeliner. So basically they stole this concept from MAC Cosmetics. You guys remember the roller wheel mascara, or not mascara, the roller wheel eyeliner? This is basically what it is. This is retails for $19. It says create precise, ultra-fine wing liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. So I'm a little bit nervous and I'll show you guys up close. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out like so. Oh my God. So the inside of it has like, you know, where you can kind of wedge the stuff off of it. But if we kind of zoom in here, can we see this little wheel that is on here, this little applicator? So basically it is this like a little pizza cutter for your eye. So let's give this a whirl. I'm a little nervous to try this. So we're gonna do some winged eyeliner with this and see how it goes. This is like really hard to use, but like I'm low-key impressed though at the same time. So like I don't know how to feel. Oh y'all, this is a mess. See, and this is the part where I think that Boxycharm's like trying to play us. Like this is what they do when like things don't sell well, so they just have to throw it in a box to give it away to make some type of profit off of it. I mean, this is easily some of the blackest eyeliner I've ever used, but like, this wing is atrocious. And I don't know how to get it to like curve. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna just mess this up if I continue trying to make this work. Okay, this is trash. I ain't, no ma'am. Do you see what I just did to myself? Look at this. What is that? A mess. Like, this looks like a damn... So I'm gonna try to salvage this. We're gonna need an ambulance. We're gonna need... Nobody panic. Just don't panic. I'm panicking. Oh my god, this looks so bad. And like, I don't want to start my whole eye look over again. All right, we were able to save it. We saved the eyeliner. So, and we put on some big lashes to hide. It's not perfect by any means. So you just throw on some big eyelashes and go about your day like nothing even happened. So let's go ahead. If you couldn't already tell, that was a flop. Didn't like that product. So let's go ahead and move on. Next thing in here is a blush by Laura Geller. This one retails for $28. It says add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this big blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigment are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and finish. Girl, don't try to make this bougie. It's a blush. Over here talking about flown in from Italy and whatever on their terracotta. Girl, ain't nobody cared. I just care if it works. So basically this is what it looks like. It's kind of got this like marbleized kind of a look to it, like so. I'm not a huge fan of blush, so we'll see how it works. We're just gonna go in with one little poof and just kind of see what happens here. So, I mean, it gives a little color. I don't like the smell of it. It smells like old lady. It very much smells like old lady. I don't know if it's really showing up all that much. Am I crazy? Oh, it's showing up a little bit. So, I mean, it's all right. It's an all right blush. It's all right. It smells like crap though. It smells like old lady and baby powder. Ugh, not into it. All right, last thing that is in here is a lipstick from Lorac. It is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. This retails for $19 and I got mine in the color Nude Rose, which perfect because I wouldn't do anything but a nude lip with an eye like this. So basically this is what it looks like. It looks like it might be too light. Let's hope that it's not. Let's go ahead and try this out on the lips. And what type of formula is this? Is it like a matte or comfortable? Oh yeah, comfortable matte finish. So, oh, it smells like candy. All right, let's go ahead and try this out. I only got some high coverage. This is not my color. Girl, over here looking crazy. Y'all, I look crazy. Like, this is not meant for people of color. No, I look crazy. Maybe if I like try to do this, like redo this with like a dark lip liner, maybe I can take like a dark lip liner and like go, let me try that. Let me grab a dark lip liner. So we were able to fix it. So I took a little bit of the ColourPop Cosmetics lip liner in the color BFF3. Just went ahead and just kind of lined over it once it dried down and then just kind of used a brush to pat it down. So my girls with brown skin, don't just put it straight on. Put on a lip liner first and then kind of blend it out and you'll get a little bit of a better color that will work better for your complexion. So anyways, you guys, that is everything that is in this box. So just as a quick review of everything that we used in here and what I think about them. Brushes, they're all right. Not anything to shake a stick at, not the best thing I've ever used. I thought this one particularly was too flimsy to use. I wasn't a huge fan of it. Blush is okay. Would I buy it in stores? Probably not. It didn't like do too much anything life-changing. It was a very, very light wash of color, which I'm okay with, which I actually prefer when it comes down to using a brush, or a blush, not a brush. The eyeshadow palette, total win for me. Shadows were pigmented, blended to filth. Love it, worked for me. I'm definitely a fan. The eyeliner, no. Stop trying to make this work. Like roller eyeliner, it just stop. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Anyways, you guys, that was everything that is in this box. Hopefully this worked for you, helped you kind of figure out what to do with this eyeshadow palette. If you were stuck on like, what am I gonna do with all these dark colors? Well, there you go. Create yourself a nice little sultry smoky eye look with it. Otherwise, that is it, you guys. Thank you for following along with me on this little journey and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.